Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick review about this AI called Elicit AI. So I'm going to dive into the key features, the benefits, and the pricing to help you decide if it is the right tools for you in 2025. So to get started with this AI, Elicit is an AI with a super smart research assistant. It's just the power of artificial intelligence to help you with your research. Imagine you need to find the relevant paper for your school project. Instead of spending hours to search through Google Scholars, you can ask Elicit AI. It can quickly scan through tons of information and find relevant papers, but that's not all. Elicit AI can also help you with other research tasks such as summarizing articles, brainstorming ideas, and answering questions. Now, talking about the key features of this platform, it comes with the fully packed features that makes it stand out from other AI. So one of these key features is the notebooks. Come with the notebook features, a data extractor features, and a paper researcher features together with the topic finder and all other for key features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, it's come with a basic plan which is free, a plus plan, and a pro plan. So you can just get back to the website to check out which plan would be a better option for you. So talking about the good side and the bad side, so picking the good side first, it helps you save time and increase your efficiency. So improve your accuracy and enhance your productivity. Also expand your research scope, and this is user-friendly interface. It's very easy to use with an intuitive, and they offer a free plan. Now talking about the downside, it can be expensive, limited credit system, and occasionally inaccuracy sometimes, and the reliance on the existing research. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website and what's your review on it, what's your personal review on them.